Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use crypto for stake easy method. Start by choosing a reputable staking platform and read its terms, then transfer a small test amount to your staking wallet. Enable staking or delegate to a validator, double-check gas fees and lockup periods, and set clear alerts for rewards and withdrawals. Treat staking like long-term savings, diversify across validators, and review performance monthly regularly. Start with a checklist: validator uptime, commission rates, slashing history, and community reputation, then prioritize transparency and support. Consider delegating small amounts across 3 to 5 validators to spread risk while tracking rewards. Use official Explorer tools to confirm validator performance and set alerts, and always keep your wallet seed secure and offline when possible. Check commission changes monthly. Watch for sudden spikes in uptime changes, and prefer validators with community governance participation. Estimate net returns by subtracting validator commission and fees from published APY, and factor in lockup periods to model liquidity needs. Reinvest rewards regularly to harness compounding, but keep an emergency unstaked buffer to handle volatility and market moves. Track taxable events and record timestamps for each reward payout, and consult guidance for reporting requirements so you avoid surprises during tax time. Also consider geographic regulations and stablecoin options for temporary staking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.